Hi, today we are going to talk about this product here. It's the Juicy Chemistry Chili Horsetail and Black Seed 100% natural hair oil. Some people also like to call it a serum, but on the packaging it says hair oil. So that is what we are going to call it. According to Juicy Chemistry, this is a 100% natural product and it has two major claims. One, it promotes new hair growth, and second, it promises to control hair fall. Now, if you've heard about this product, then you also know that this is kind of super costly. 10 ml of this product costs rupees 1050, and the bigger size available, which is the 30 ml one, that costs around 3000 rupees, rupees 2950 to be exact. So basically what you're paying is 30 rupees per ml of this product approximately. And if I am paying rupees 30 per ml of a product, then it better do something. I actually have high expectations when I am paying so much for just 30 ml. When you look at the ingredients list on the packet, they have put a asterisk mark over the ingredients which are organic. First, let's talk about the packaging, which I really love. Standard carton box, and it has literally all the details that one might want to know about the product. And inside you have this bottle. It's an amber colored bottle and has a pump dispenser, and even the pump dispenser has a cap. Thankfully I haven't lost this cap yet, and I've almost used up the entire bottle. I don't know if you can see, but only about this much is remaining. The oil itself is deep orange, or you can say light amber in color, and it has a very strong earthy smell to it. The smell is not a very pleasant fragrance, but once you become used to it, it shouldn't be very bothersome. It has a normal consistency, maybe slightly less sticky than the usual oils that we're used to. Also, like when you've applied it on your hair, it doesn't make your hair feel super sticky or chip, but at the same time, don't think that you can apply this and go out without anyone telling that you have oil on your hair. Obviously it does look like oil, and everybody is gonna say that you have oil on your hair. I would say it's lighter than the coconut oil that we are used to, but it's not like no one can tell that you have oil in your hair. Coming to the application, I only apply this oil on my scalp or my hair roots or follicles, whatever you're gonna call it. I don't apply it on the lengths of my hair, basically for two reasons. Number one, lengths of my hair are composed of keratin protein, which is a dead protein. So the active ingredients in the product are not going to work on the lengths of my hair. So no use applying such an expensive product full of active ingredients on the lengths of my hair when it's not even going to do anything for the lengths of my hair, right? And secondly, the reason is I like to apply normal pure coconut oil on the lengths of my hair, because coconut oil is the best oil for the lengths of your hair, because that is the only oil which has actually been shown to have some penetrating power in the hair lengths. And of course it's not as super costly as this oil. Obviously for girls with long hairs like myself, if we start applying such costly oils on the lengths of our hair, then this oil won't even last for like 2 weeks. So that's the reason I don't apply this oil on my hair lengths. I only apply this on my scalp. Because this oil lists red chili as an ingredient, I was kind of expecting this to have a burning or a tingling sensation on my scalp. But when I applied it, to my surprise, it did not do anything of such sorts. It just applied like a normal hair oil, and it did not cause any abnormal sensation on my scalp. For oils with active ingredients, I normally like to apply these oils at night, and I like to leave them overnight so that the active ingredients present in the oils have time to work on my scalp overnight. And that is what I did with this oil. I applied this overnight and washed it off the next morning. I always use a sulfate-free shampoo normally, so that's what I did. Coming to the real deal, what effects this has on my hair. After shampooing, even if I don't use a conditioner, whenever I've used this oil, my hair feels super soft and nourished and super smooth, and very importantly, it kind of has a detangling effect on my hair. I naturally have curly to wavy hair, and my hair gets tangled very easily. And one very important effect I've noticed for this oil is its detangling effect on my hair. So whenever I use this oil, my hair doesn't get as tangly as it would normally. It's a really nice effect this oil has on my hair. Apart from that, I can confidently say that this definitely reduces hair fall. Now this is not going to reduce your hair fall to zero, but I'm very confident when I say that this does reduce hair fall. This reduces my hair fall to almost like 50 to 60% of what I would experience without using this hair oil. So if you are facing a problem of heavy hair fall and you've ruled out other causes, then you may give this oil a chance. try using the smaller size before you go ahead and purchase the bigger size, and do give it time. Do let it work on your hair for a couple of weeks before you draw a conclusion, right? And second most important claim that this product had was it promotes new hair growth. When we talk about new hair growth means hair growing from your scalp. It has to do with the density of your hair. However, I'm sorry to say, but this did not give me any new hair growth on my scalp. I did not notice any new hair growing on my scalp, and it had no effect on the density of my hair. So while one of its claims proved to be largely true, the other claim unfortunately did not work in my case. So I cannot comment about that, but overall you should give this hair oil a try if you are looking for a hair oil with active ingredients that actually do work on the hair. Now it's been almost like 2.5 to 3 months that I've been using this hair oil on my scalp, and I can confidently say that this reduces my hair fall. But does it give me new hair growth? I'm not so sure. I haven't noticed any new hair sprouts growing out of my scalp, so I can't say that this promotes new hair growth. But yes, this definitely reduces hair. So if you are on a lookout in the market for a hair oil which has similar effects, then do try this out. Juicy Chemistry is a good brand. It's a national brand. Their products are slightly costlier than the other products in the market, but I kind of support their philosophy. I kind of support the ethics behind their entire brand. And this product actually worked for me. At least 50% of its major claims turned out to be true in my case. Very important thing that I have to mention with this hair oil is it has red chili oil, right? So whenever you purchase it, please do a small patch test on a small area of your scalp and let it sit for like 2 hours. Red chili is a powerful ingredient. They've listed it as the second ingredient in the ingredients list, so which means its concentration in this oil is obviously significant. So please do a patch test before applying this hair oil, because red chili is an irritant. It's a strong irritant, and God forbid if you do apply this all over your scalp without doing a patch test and you do turn out to be sensitive to red chili oil, then it might prove to be catastrophic. So please do a patch test before using this hair oil. And some things that I'd like to mention before I conclude this video: this oil does stain your pillow sheets or pillow covers, so make sure you cover your pillow with a thick towel or some cloth, because this definitely leaves a stain on the sheets. And secondly, Juicy Chemistry's products are all organic and natural. So make sure you start using them as soon as you get them. They have a very small shelf life. Like this product has a shelf life of 9 months only, and it says use within 6 months of opening and within 9 months from the date of manufacturing. So don't buy Juicy Chemistry products in a bulk unless you plan on using each and every one of them. So buy one by one and make sure you use them all as soon as possible. If you have any more questions, if you'd like to ask me anything else, please leave a comment below and let me know. So with that, I'd like to conclude this video. Take care. Bye.